Hello friends, in my Redmi 9 Prime or the Redmi 9 Global variant, I have received MIUI 12.5 enhanced version update. So in this video I am going to be sharing details about this update, the features and the changes which you can notice after this update. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the update version is 12.5.3.0. The update size was 610 MB. This update included October security patch with MIUI 12.5 enhanced upgrades for performance like swift performance increments and dynamic allocate system resources and other performance related features to make the UI smoother. This you can notice immediately after the update that the app opening time has been reduced drastically and the animations has been faster and smoother. The initial animations of app opening is also been reduced to improve the app opening time. So the UI is now snappier and more responsive, but they have achieved this by reducing some of the animations. The next change is in the security app. The UI and the animations has been changed, but there is no much difference than the previous update. The feature which they added in this update is memory extension or virtual RAM. You can enable this by going to the additional settings. In Redmi 9 or the Redmi 9 Prime, you can expand up to 5GB by adding 1GB of virtual RAM. But by enabling or disabling it, there is no change in performance. It is a marketing gimmick by all the brands who provide virtual RAM. MIUI is not like before. From MIUI 12.5, they are focused more on the performance and the stability of the UI more than the animations, like before. This can be good for someone but can be bad for those who like animations, but these changes will come over only in budget phones but not in the mid-range or the premium segment. In the premium and the mid-range segment, animations will still be there and they will not be removed. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. I will catch up you in the next one. Bye.